When moving to the cloud, studies have shown that many enterprises run into serious problems with their deployments. This doesn't have to be the case though. Let's see how you can overcome these problems and set yourself up for success. So what's not working? It turns out there are 4 common sources of issues for cloud networks. These include network and app performance problems, increased security risk, cost overruns that result in a lower return on investment, and finally, a high level of complexity usually resulting from a multi-cloud architecture. There's 3 things you can do to overcome these problems. First, you need to eliminate any blind spots. Blind spots are areas where IT personnel are unable to collect data for performance and security analysis in their architecture. Second, you need to right-size cloud deployments. Studies from Vertana and IDC have found that not everything belongs in the cloud. This means that instead of leaping completely into the cloud, figure out what you're trying to do and then settle into a hybrid scenario of a public cloud and physical on-premise network. The cost savings of moving everything to the cloud is probably not going to be there for you. The same with complexity. It's not going to get better. Instead, leverage the best of both worlds to achieve your goals. And third, invest in proactive monitoring so that you can constantly look at performance across your whole network, whether it's in the cloud or on-prem. Let me show you how this would look. Here is an example of a hybrid cloud visibility architecture. On the left, there is a public cloud instance. You choose the cloud vendor, and a cloud tap that captures and replicates packet data in the cloud instance. The cloud tap solution can also perform dedupe and other functions. On the right, you can see the out-of-band physical on-prem network with taps and packet brokers that create visibility. Next, you can see where a set of security and monitoring tools were added to both environments. These tools, powered by the tap, cloud tap, and packet broker products, are the solutions that you need to address your security, performance, and troubleshooting issues. Next, you can see where the internet gateway at the border of the cloud network is added. At this point, data can be backhauled from the cloud to the physical on-premise for analysis. This is where you have a truly hybrid network. The cloud tap can streamline the amount of data and therefore the associated transmission costs of the backhauled data using deduplication and data filtering. Finally, you should add active monitoring. You need the controller software loaded onto a server and then a combination of physical and virtual probes installed into the network so that you can gather information at will. Once you have the solution installed, you can get a 360-degree view of your network performance. If you need help, ask us at Keysight. We can help you with all of your cloud and on-premise visibility needs.